Welcome guys our target app study channel. Again next video number 5. In this video we will be cover next 10 question 51 to 60 electronic science September 2021 previous year question. Let's start. The first question. MEMS are miniaturized to microscopic level and therefore have. Here to ask MEMS and option here. Option A low sensitivity, option B large dynamic range, option C very low frequency response, option D high mechanical strength. Firstly, what is the MEMS? The full form of the MEMS, micro electromechanical system, or MEMS, is a technology that in its most general form can be defined as miniaturized mechanical and electromechanical systems or elements. Here the component of MEMS, there are 4 main components here: microsensors, micro actuators, microelectronics and microstructures. The critical physical dimension of MEMS device can vary from below 1 micron here to the below 1 micron on the lower end of the dimensional spectrum all the way of several millimeters. The correct option is here B, large dynamic range. Option B is correct. Next question. What is the sensitivity of a 200 microampere meter movement for a DC voltmeter? DC voltmeter. Here to ask, given the value of 200 microampere and movement of DC voltmeter, to ask the sensitivity. What is the sensitivity? Your formula calculate how to calculate the sensitivity of the DC voltmeter. Sensitivity is defined as the deflection unit current flowing the meter in the coil. The sensitivity of the voltmeter also depend on the circuit resistance, which is known also as loading effect DC sensitivity, SDC. This is the formula of SDC. The sensitivity, how to calculate, to use this formula, SDC is equal to 1 upon IFS. IFS means full scale deflection current, and given the here the deflection current 200 microampere, put the value, the SDC is equal to 1 upon 200 micro per volt is after the calculation. The correct answer is C, the 5 kilo per volt. Option C is correct. Next question. An integrator circuits 100 kilo ohm and 1 microfarad capacitor. Here there are two values are given: 100 kilo ohm resistor and 1 microfarad capacitor. If the voltage applied to the integrator is 1 volt, what is the output of integrator after 1 second? Integrator ask here. Option A 10 volt, option B 5 volt, option C 15 volt and option D 0 volt. Here to given the resistance R is equal to 100 kilo ohm, capacitance C is equal to 1 microfarad, and integrated input voltage Vi is equal to 1 volt. For an integrated type of digital voltmeter DVM, output voltage is given by, to put the value on the formula, V is equal to 1 upon RC integrated 0 to T phi DIT. After the calculation, this formula are used, and to final answer or result is a 10 volt. Option A is correct. Option A is correct. Go to the next question. If the time division control is set to 2 microsecond determine the frequency of the waveform shown in the below. Here given the your CRO reading, cathode ray oscilloscope, CRO's reading, here the frequency, time axis. And to calculate the frequency, here to the given the frequency time per knob is set to microsecond. Is here the t is equal to, firstly calculate to t time, and then after to 1 upon t. The how to calculate 1 upon t, here to the formula is f 1 upon t frequency. F is equal to 1 upon t. Firstly calculate the t. Here to the this is the complete cycle, is the positive portion, and this is the negative portion of this cycle. Okay, so the scale are provided here to 0 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3. Here the total lambda firstly calculate. Here to half cycle is here to positive half cycle and the negative half cycle. Here to lambda is 2. Here to lambda is 2. Lambda is 2, and the time per division is set in the true to microsecond. Calculate these values, and to the time is equal to 4 microsecond. Time is calculated, time is 4 microsecond. Put the value in the formula, f is equal to 1 upon t. After the calculation, here to the correct answer is here 250 kilohertz, 250 kilohertz, 250 kilohertz. But here not given in the answer key, or this is the answer. Here next question, match the following set 1, set 2. Here given the sensors and here two measurements. The first sensor A, piezoelectric, B, foil strain gauge, C, beta gauge, D, LVDT, linear variable displacement transducer. Okay, LVDT. आणि set second, temperature measurement, displacement measurement, pressure measurement, thickness measurement. Here the first piezoelectric. Piezoelectric is a pressure measurement sensor. Second, foil strain gauge is a temperature measurement sensor. Beta gauge is a thickness measurement, and the LVDT, linear variable displacement transducer, is a displacement measurement. The correct option is here to the C. Option C is the correct. Next question. Again match the following set 1 and set 2. Again to ask here, gear train rotational transformer, tachometer velocity sensor, DC amplifier, acceleration sensor, and they given the formulas here to the transfer functions. Here to the correct answer sequence, gear train rotational transformer is the second, tachometer velocity sensor is here, DC amplifier the transfer function, and acceleration sensor is this is a control system. Okay, the correct option is option A is correct. Next question. A good control system has the following feature except. Option A, good stability, a simple system, good accuracy, sufficient power handling. The sum of the requirement of good control system under this category are follows: the stability, objectivity, numerical expression, economical, simplicity, promote responsibility based, flexibility, forward looking, self-control system. This is the requirement of the good control system. But here to given option, good stability is also feature, a simple system also, good accuracy also, sufficient power handling also. But here to most accurate is a B option, the simple system. Option B is correct. Next question. The transfer function ys ist ds for the following system given. Here to the control system are given to provide one figure and to solve this. Here to the positive feedback is it is easy to easily solve the when 1 plus g1s g2s and the feedback hs. Okay, option D is correct. Next question, the minimum number of state required to describe the 2-degree differential equation. The number of the states required to describe network is equal to the number of energy storing elements in the electrical network. Here 2 degree, again 2 required, 2. Option A is 1, option B is 2, option C is 3, option D is 4. Is the correct option B, 2. The last question, transfer function. Here to the ys divide us of the system described by the state equation dx by dt is equal to minus 2x plus 24 and yt is equal to 0.5x is the given the option. Here to 0.5 by s minus 2, option B 1 by x minus 2, C 0.5 by x plus 2 and D 1 by s plus 2. Here to the find the transfer function, given the values and put the value. After the all calculation, Laplace transform are used to the state space equation are given here. To the dx by dt is equal to minus 2x plus 24 and yt is equal to 0.5x. Taking the Laplace transform of both the equation, assume 0 essential condition and put the values are by s and xs. Since there is no information about the essential condition x 0, we can assume 0 essential condition for simplicity, solving the first equation of xs. xs s plus 2xs is equal to 24 and xs into s plus 2x is equal to 24 and xx is equal to 24 divided by s plus 2. And now substituting this into the second equation to find ys is equal to, here after the put the value and the after calculation, so the transfer function ys divided by us is equal is given here is equal to ys divided by us is equal to 12 divided by s plus 2. Comparing this with the given option with the correct answer, here the option D is correct. Thank you.